Hello friends, I'm Mary and welcome to Rocky Mountain Gardens. Today I'm going to take you on an evening tour of my winter themed home decor, and I really hope you will enjoy it and maybe get some inspiration for your own home to really brighten up the winter blues, the winter doldrums that we often feel at this time of year. And if you have been following me, you know I've been doing some crafts and decor to add to the really sort of uplifting spirit I'm trying to have in my home during these very dark winter days. Dark and cold. So, you know, some of the things to add to your home just in general are candlelight, fires. If you're lucky to have a gas fireplace like I am, it's so easy to get that sort of wintry, cozy feeling in your home with that fireplace. And also things like cozy pillows, soft blankets to snuggle under when you're reading a book, anything that is very, brings out that warmth and warms up our hearts. So we'll be doing this evening tour, as I said, and I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments below. So, about where I got things or how I did different things in my tour. So let's get started. back again. Hope you enjoyed that evening tour. And just for some final words, I wanted to suggest that you use things around your home to really add to that coziness and warmth. And that can include, soft pillows, a nice warm robe, and comfortable soft blankies to snuggle under. And remember, these days of winter do not have to be dreary. You can make them so warm and special in your own house. And also, I wanted to remind you to go ahead and subscribe if you're enjoying what I'm doing here at Rocky Mountain Gardens. And down below, I'm going to link my playlist called Cold Days, Warm Hearts Winter Series, if you'd like to get some more inspiration for your own home. And y'all take care now, and I will see you in my next video. So long.